Good old South African patriot here. So recently I got two comments on one of my videos. The one question was, "What is the solution?" And then the second question was, "Do we fight or do we flight?" Um, and it made me think quite deeply because in order to answer this, and I made a video about this. It took me about half a day to make this video, and I ended up deleting it because it is very simple. What I desire and what I want for my people is freedom. I want freedom and peace, and I want freedom in safety for my people. That's all I want. Nothing more, nothing less. I do not have the desire to govern over other people. I do not have the desire to tread upon other tribes or other people. I just want peace and safety for my own people. And a lot of the time when we make these videos, and a lot of the times I have to delete these comments because we get called a lot of things. We get called racist, we get called settlers. Um, we have songs written to kill us because of the fact that I want a peace loving, free, safe society for my people. I do not wish, and I've always said this, I do not wish to trample upon other tribes and other cultures. They can do whatever they please. But leave me alone. Leave me and my people alone. That is my heart's desire for this Christmas and the next year. And I will remake the video of an hour long. And I'll explain to you the solutions that we as white people have in South Africa, because there is solutions. Because that is what the Boer people do. They have solutions to this. We have current solutions and we have future solutions. Think about that. God bless.